Owlsmatrix.com is an online store that sells footwear from big brands like Nike and Adidas, as well as other apparel. The website claims to offer worldwide shipping and features popular sneakers like the Air Jordan 4 Military Black. But the big question is, can you really trust this website for shopping? Or is it just another scam? Stay with me till the end as we break it down step by step. Let's start with some positives. First, Owlsmatrix.com was registered on April 14th, 2021, meaning the site has been around for almost 4 years. That's a good sign because scam websites usually pop up and disappear within months. Having a longer history gives it some credibility. Second, they are active on social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook. They regularly post updates, which makes them more visible and accessible to customers. This level of engagement can be reassuring since scam websites often lack any social media presence. Another positive aspect is that Owls Matrix provides company details like a registered number and a physical address. This kind of transparency is essential because it shows there's an actual business behind the website instead of just a random anonymous seller. On top of that, they offer multiple contact options, including email, phone support, and live chat. This is great because it means you can reach out for help whenever needed, making the shopping experience feel more reliable. Now let's talk about customer reviews because this is where things get interesting. While checking Trustpilot, we found a mix of reviews. A lot of the positive reviews seem fake. Most of them are posted on the same day by newly created accounts. This is a common trick used by some companies to appear more legitimate. However, when looking at the real customer reviews, there are a lot of complaints. Some users said they tried canceling their order within 12 hours, but the company ignored their emails. Others claimed they never received their sneakers, and when they asked for a refund, they either got no response or just excuses about delivery delays. There were also complaints about customers receiving wrong sizes and being refused in exchange. Worse, some people suspected that the sneakers they received were fake. Many frustrated buyers called Owls Matrix a scam and warned others to stay away. These issues raise serious red flags, making it hard to trust this website. So here's the final verdict. While Owlsmatrix.com does have some positives, like a long online presence, active social media accounts, and multiple ways to contact them, the negative customer reviews are alarming. Reports of unfulfilled orders, denied refunds, and fake products make it too risky to recommend. If you're considering buying from this website, be extra careful. It might be safer to stick with well-known retailers instead. That's it for today's review. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews.